Honestly, I don't even know if I care anymore. What is good, YouTube? It's that one camera guy, back at it again with another video for you. The camera is finally in. It feels like it's been forever since I had a chance to get my hands on it at the conference in Vegas. But the box is finally in. I ordered it over from B&H Photo. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it right now. Check out its features and I guess some new first impressions since it came out. So let's go ahead and check the unboxing right now. Well, there you go. That's the unboxing for the Sony a7 Mark III, a camera that pretty much everyone has seen already and have seen tests and examples of already. I don't think there's any major mysteries about it at this point. I am going to be doing some tests and some comparisons, especially with autofocus compared to the Sony A9. So when I get a chance, I'm going to definitely take the a7 Mark III out to go shoot some sports. We still got some track and field, softball, baseball, and a handful of other things that I can go ahead and shoot with this, and even do some low light testing as well. So very excited to check out the capabilities of this camera. And again, what really makes it great is the price point that Sony positioned this at, as well as all the features, bells and whistles that it has to its close brethren, the Sony A9, as well as the Sony a7R III. Folks, that's going to do it for me in this video. Let me know your thoughts about this camera and maybe some things you would like for me to check out when I get the time to do it. And with that said, I'm your host, That One Camera Guy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.